Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophie J. Thank you for kicking it with the kid. Today you are in for a treat. We are doing lipstick swatches of Karrueche's collaboration with Colourpop. So in case you had no idea, Karrueche's collection from Colourpop came out with 4 new lipsticks, but I only picked up 3 because I'm a chocolate girl and one of the shades would have not worked for me. So I picked up the colors Cinnamon, Chocolatier, and Brick. The color that I did not get was Butter. I feel like it would look really good on fairer skin types. I just don't think it would look good on me, so I didn't get it. But before we go any further, you guys know the drill. I need you to hit that big red button to keep up with these hair videos, these wig reviews, these product reviews, and my all-around antics. So I know that you want to just hit the button so you can get with the crew and, you know, get on with the good stuff. All right, just hit the button. Thank you. Hey guys, so that is the end of the swatches. Let me know down below, what color do you think looks best on me? Do you think the shades looked too similar? Have you picked up these shades? Do you think that these shades would look good on you? Let me know down below. You know I love to kick it with y'all in the comment section, so please leave me a comment down below on what you think about this brown sugar collection. Thank you once again for kicking it with the kid. I do not take it lightly that you came to this corner of YouTube to kick it with me, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with a friend because I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. We are growing this channel so nicely and I'm just excited for what's to come. So if you're interested in more videos from me, don't forget to hit that big red button below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.